Hello. So we're going to go over the multiplying, dividing scientific notation, numbers 10 and 20, and then adding and subtracting 10 and 20 as well. Remember, you can look in your interactive notebooks. Again, please try to do as much on your own as you can, and then see if you can just check your answers on here. So number 10, on the side where we're doing multiplying and dividing scientific notation, this is the easiest kind, so if it helps you to draw parentheses around the number written in scientific notation, feel free to do that. I'm going to box the coefficients and so that I can multiply those, and I'm going to box the base 10s with their powers. So 8.7257 is going to get multiplied. If you notice here, that's a multiplication problem. So 8.7257 times 7.865 equals, okay, so 68.6, and I'm going to try rounding to the third digit. So this 6 tells the 7 to go up, so it's going to be 628 times 10 to the, and remember, when you multiply same bases, you add exponents. You might want to repeat that. When you multiply same bases, you add the exponents. So this is 2 to the, or 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, it's not in true scientific notation because this decimal is too far to the right. This number 68 is too big. If I go 1 to the left, it becomes 6. So I'm going left 1, which means I need to make sure I add 1 to the exponent. Becomes 6.8628 times 10 to the 5th. So that's my answer. Number 11. We have a division, or number 20, sorry. We have a division problem, so be aware of that. So when we take the coefficient, we're going to divide, and when we divide same bases, we should subtract the exponent. So 1.7462, and remember, go in the order that you see it written, because you don't want to say, oh, well, 6.619 is higher, I have to divide it that way. No. If you do that, you'll get the wrong answer because you're going out of order. In division and subtraction, order matters. Okay, multiplying and adding, it doesn't. So let's see. We have 1.7462. 1.7462 divided by 6.619. 6.619 equals. So we got a long digit, so we're going to truncate it, a long number. So I'm going to go to the third place, which actually we call it the thousandths place. The 8 tells the 3 to go up, so it'll be 0.264, and times 10 to the, you're going to subtract exponents, so it's 4 minus 1, which is 3. So you're going to go right 1 and subtract 1, so you'll get 2.64 times 10 to the second power. All right, and then if you look on the back, let's do the addition problem. This one, you'll want to have matching exponents. So here, this is a subtraction, that's fine. Thankfully, the exponents are already the same. So we really only have to subtract the coefficients. So you have 4.9559 minus 4.3574 equals 0.5985 times 10. Now be very careful here, because when you are subtracting, you don't subtract the exponents, you keep the same exponents, okay? So we keep the 10 to the first power. Now this is not written in true scientific notation, so we're going to move it 1 to the right, and then we have to subtract 1 to balance it out. Okay, so subtract that 1. Becomes 5.985 times 10 to the 0. And that's my answer. Number 20, these exponents are not the same. Okay, so in order to do that, we're going to have to make sure that, well, let's make the smaller one match the higher one. So if we add 2 to this exponent, we got to go back 2 on the decimal. So it becomes 0.086871 times 10 to the third. Okay, I'm going to put parentheses around it, plus 6.9163 times 10 to the third. So that one just gets rewritten because we changed this to match this. So this one stays. while this one went, I'm just going to double check, yeah, I put a 0 there because I had to go back 2 places, and then that's balanced out. Okay, now that I have these two the same, I'm just going to leave it as times 10 to the third, and all I have to do is add these two numbers. So, let's see, well, remember, addition, it doesn't matter which one you do first. 0.086871 plus 6.9163. 6.9163 equals. So I'm going to go to the third digit, and if you cut it off, the 1 tells the 3 to stay. So 7.003. And that is my answer.